Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is out of a 2010 Ford Taurus. I'm going to be using one 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. I've included a link below in the description. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. This piece isn't mandatory, but it's definitely very helpful. So first thing you want to do is remove this mechanical key. You do that by pressing this button. You can do it with your finger or a screwdriver. Just press and push out. Once you have that out, this slot right here is where you want to put either your fingernail or a screwdriver is a lot easier. Just put it in here, just give it a pry. You can see the battery's kind of laying in there haphazardly. So take out your old battery, your new battery goes in. You just want to sit it right in this little groove right here. So it's kind of sitting like that, and then as you put this down, it'll press it in. And then just replace your mechanical key. You're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.